Let's get gnarly today with the GoPro Hero 9 Black against the GoPro Hero 3 Silver and against the GoPro Hero Session. I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech, and let's jump the wall to the audio test. Alright, so this is an audio test. I'm not just gonna put any labels on this one. Hopefully you can just figure out in between the two. But this is what the audio sounds like on either one that I'm skipping through right now through the edit. But so far, hopefully you decided on what either one of these would be right now. So this is the audio of the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and this is what it basically sounds like. And this is the audio on the GoPro Hero 3 Silver, and this is what it sounds like in its case with an open back door with holes on it. And this is the audio on the GoPro Hero 3 There's Silver. No noticeable difference in between the three, but the GoPro Hero Session has the most crispiest audio, which is not bad for an older GoPro from 2015. We're running on all the GoPros we're running on. Hypersmooth just on. This is the audio test on the GoPro Hero Session on 1080p 30. It's a little bit windy right now, which is actually really great. For this, I tried to do my best with the stabilization. All three GoPros running right now. Now let's jump over onto the GoPro Hero 3 Silver. So on the GoPro Hero 3 Silver right here, this is how it sounds like. It's in the case. The GoPro Hero 3 Silver, it's pretty neat. However, for the GoPro Hero Session, it's not that well with doing these type of time lapses. Mostly because you have to like hold the record button like 3 seconds, like one time 3 seconds and the next time 3 seconds. And if you want to even change it, it's actually so hard. But with the back screen on the GoPro Hero 9, it makes it an easy task to change like how many seconds you want that photo to be taken for that time lapse. Now it might not give that much info, but hopefully it's that good. So that was during the daylight, but let's see it during the nighttime. I know for sure the GoPro Hero 3 will fail on this, especially on the Hero Session 2, because there's like a little bit of differences. If there's any audio issues, I'm sorry about that because it just happens oftentimes. So right now I have is my backdrop lamp, which is right in front of me, my other lamp, and is some LED light. I'll turn off these two lamps. And now I have is my LED lights turned on. I know for sure that the GoPro Hero 9 is picking this up as blue. However, on the Hero Session, I think it's similar to it, but then it's a little bit more ambient. So there might be some more like differences in between. I'm not actually seeing the footage, but you are. So you can get the actual accurate picture. And probably for the GoPro Hero 3, it's probably gonna be a meh. And with just the laptop, because I'm really curious, with just the laptop screen turned on, I don't know if you can really tell if there's any differences or not. Probably it's all just totally just blank. Okay, so let's turn on is the lamp that's about like, I would have to say 5-10-ish feet from my desk. So with that differences there in mind, let's see the dynamic range on my face. I know on those like other type of tests that we had done in between all of the GoPros, that the GoPro Hero 9 Black had like some issues on the dynamic range when I was in the shade. That's mostly because it was designed to be on the bike, not really for is just looking at a human. So the settings I chose was actually wrong. That came in error, not the actual device of the GoPro itself. Let's just see the dynamic range right here. And we're going to go back to the backdrop lamp right in front of me right here. Is there any clear difference, anything? And then we're gonna turn them on all around here. Now, I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech. Tell me about which one is best. I personally think that the GoPro Hero Session and the GoPro Hero 9 Black works best for video and photo. However, for the GoPro Hero 3 Silver, it's only like best for the audio because of how clear it sounds when it's against the wind. But for everything else, I would have to say that there's quite an issue going on. But check out these videos, and shaka and mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure. I don't know which camera I'm gonna choose. All of them.